我们今天要教你一个英语单词，让你搞定美式英语。Don't forget to subscribe below and hit the little bell so you get notifications each time we have a new video. Alright guys, so we got a really cool lesson today, but first make sure you go check out Li Fei's channel. We made a video telling you how to speak American.
就像那个 Hollywood 非常美式的口音。
We're the Avengers. We can bust arms dealers all the livelong day, but
今天我们有一个特殊的单词要教大家，就是你掌握怎么用这个单词的话，你可以就是比较理解美国文化，而且这个单词的用法比较丰富的，我觉得
很丰富，
非常丰富的，可能是美式里的最丰富的单词。
所以呢，对，所以你学会了这个之后，你就不需要学其他的了，你就有了这个，那就没问题了，
就没问题了。OK, are you ready?
I am very 准备好了。
这个单词不算脏话，但是还是有一点脏，就是屁股的意思。屁股 butt， 但是我们经常说的是 ass。然后你要读这个非常美式的英语很重要啊。 对
ass。 Every time I speak American, my mouth turns ass. Okay.
So there's a few different things you can use ass and do in American English. For one, you can emphasize something. So think of an adjective, and after the adjective, you add ass.
Okay. And why would I do that?
To emphasize what you want to say.
Okay. So I didn't want to come here today because I'm lazy.
So you're lazy ass. You're a lazy ass man.
Is it a lazy ass? Yeah, isn't it?
You can do either one. You can do you're a lazy ass as a noun, becomes a noun, or you can say you're a lazy ass man as an adjective. It's very flexible, this word.
Well, it's a wonderful word.
Yeah.
So the English equivalent would be like quite.
Quite? The British equivalent.
Which is quite the opposite of ass.
Quite lazy you are.
Yes.
You can use this for anything like the shirt. Go ahead, have a try.
It's a blue shirt.
A blue shirt.
It's a blue
but
shirt.
if you want to, it's like really, really blue.
It's quite blue.
Then you would, in American English, you'd say
it's a blue ass shirt.
It's a blue ass shirt. It's
My
really blue. Actually, this is a blue ass wall.
It's a blue.
It's like it's big. It's really blue.
It's very blue.
非常。如果你经常说 very， 你可以用 ass 来代替，就是 blue ass。对，这个 table 是 hard ass table.
It's a hard ass table. You're a hard ass man.
I'm a hard ass man. 对 hard ass 有两个不同的意思。你可以说我老板，my boss is a hard ass。就是我受不了他，
很厉害，
对，很严格。It doesn't always mean something bad, like I can say like if I had a coffee, oh this is good ass coffee. Okay. So you can say this is good ass coffee, but you can also say if it's really good, this coffee is badass. So it can be good ass and badass.
I think we need to stop there, yeah, because bad is bad.
Good is good, but bad is really good.
Okay.
I think your channel's badass.
Thank you.
That's a compliment.
Thank you. And yours is just good ass.
Yeah, so okay. So if someone calls you badass, it's a good thing.
It's confusing.
It is confusing.
But it also shows that because it's confusing, you need to put in a bit of time and effort into it. And once you've done that, it'll be even more convincing. The more convincing.
I told you this word is 非常丰富。
非常丰富的单词。
Because you can also say 踢屁股 kick ass.
Kick ass.
Yeah.
That's a movie.
It is a movie. Yeah.
It's a
like this camera right here is a kick-ass camera.
Oh, look at this. We can zoom in as well.
Wow.
It's a kick-ass camera.
Kick-ass camera. So now is the part where it gets more complicated. Because your ass can also represent yourself.
My ass.
Your ass. It's also you.
Okay.
Move your ass.
Yeah.
Means 快点. Move your ass.
Move your ass.
Yeah.
快点.
Yeah. Which is quite useful in China because everybody's like 快点. It's not polite though. 服务员 move your ass.
走一下你屁股.
走一下你的屁股.
绊一下你屁股.
But if I said my ass, what does that mean?
We just did my ass, didn't we?
No, we did your ass.
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry, go on.
That'll be funny. That'll be good.
Which ass are we talking about again? Sorry, I got stuck between asses.
So that's your ass. But if I said my ass, it means no.
Obviously.
Yeah. Obviously. So if you said something and I didn't believe you, I would just say my ass. 你说屁话，是那样的意思。
啊，这才是我的屁股。
Yeah.
Okay, like yeah, okay, yeah. I sort of makes sense.
So tell me something that's ridiculous.
我是世界上最帅的老外。
My ass.
Wait, so I can say my ass is really pretty, and then you'd answer with
my ass,
which would be either
my ass it
I
is.
don't believe you, or my ass
yeah.
is pretty.
Or it's definitely not.
Yeah.
My head's ready to explode, and it's my native language. We have your ass, my ass, and half ass.
Okay.
Half ass is like 偷懒的人. Like don't half ass it. It's actually a verb.
So don't half-ass something.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna half-ass this video. Because ass is still you, so if you half-ass, it's like 就是50%的能力就废起来，
没有付出你的全力。Okay.
没费了那么多劲。And if you're a piece of ass, 一块屁股，你就是很漂亮。
我知道啊，我刚说的不是吗？
千万不可以对女生说 you're a piece of ass.
It's very 没礼貌。
Very rude.
If we talk to each other.
Guys talking to guys, still not like respectful. But
yeah, don't let other people know you're talking about it. But then it's okay.
I'm just telling you what it means. I'm not telling you to use it.
So that's the meanest word here in the bunch.
That's the worst one. That's by far the worst one. So now we're gonna talk about some 口语俚语。ass 的用法。
好的。
OK。
好的 ，very 期待。
这个中国也有，就是好像是拍马屁。
拍马屁。
就是 kiss ass。
kiss some
Not kiss a horse's ass.
But the 老板的屁。
对。
Okay.
So don't be such a kiss ass.
I can kiss my fan's ass. Can you put it in a sentence like that?
Yeah.
Kiss. I'll kiss your ass if you like this video.
但不是真正的 kiss your ass.
No, it's not, is it?
你怎么会把讽刺拍马屁吧？
我就直接发个地址叫他们过来，我可以倾听啊。
Okay. Another one is put your ass on the line.
Put your ass on the line.
Put your ass on the line.
On this line, there's a line here.
No,
my ass is right
that's
here.
not what it means.
That's clearly literally what it means.
Well, literally what it means. It means to do something risky. Yeah, take a risk. 对。
就是你风险你的什么某一些东西，或者你风险你自己。
So I could say, if this video doesn't do well, it's my ass on the line. 也是我要负责的意思。
Then you need to kiss a lot of ass.
Yes. 所以如果你们可以 kiss ass， 我们就会成功。
对。
Then my ass is off the line. 这个我最喜欢的。Head up your ass.
I know. Sorry to be here.
Head up.
Go on.
在哪
I'm just visually.
那边怎么样？怎么样啊？
这边很好，很舒服呀。
天气怎么样？
天气也很好。
So if you have your head up your ass， 就是你什么都不懂，受不了你。You got your head up your ass， 你什么都不懂。
就是你不懂外界。
对。
Like you just
这是很无知的意思。He's got his head up his ass.
Like unknowledgeable or. He's
ignorant.
Ignorant, yeah. So if you learned the word ignorant in school, just forget about that now. When you go to the Americas.
Or he's a lazy ass. Yeah. Lazy ass with a head up his ass. They all have their heads up their asses. 还有我们都知道，好吃就是 delicious 的意思，或者 it's very good。但是如果你感觉不好吃的话，你可以说 tastes like ass. Tastes like ass.
People. So the ass was it the same ass that I just came from here?
对的。
And now it tastes
就是有屁股的味道。
Oh, okay. That's what I was caught up there for so long because it tastes so good.
你感觉什么食物 tastes like ass？
我觉得
榴莲吗？
榴莲非常好吃。
好吃吗？
说错了，榴莲 doesn't taste like ass.
我觉得 tastes like ass 吧。
Wait, it tastes like ass, good or bad? Just
bad. You can like it. That's okay.
No, I don't like 榴莲. You don't have to cut out this part. I'm not afraid to say it. 榴莲 tastes like ass.
Yeah.
就是
我个人感觉，就是很多中国人会对我很生气，但是我觉得苦瓜 哎，我不能吃苦瓜，不知道为什么。苦瓜你能吃吗？
苦瓜我太苦了，我觉得
太苦了，太苦了。但是我不会说 taste like ass， 但是有点太苦。
Tastes like a bitter ass.
对，It's a bitter ass vegetable. So if someone's like really annoying， 就是烦死的那种人，you can say they are a pain in the ass.
Pain in the ass.
Yeah. So my wife always says， 你烦死了，
烦死我了。
I'm a pain in the ass.
I like pain in the ass a lot more. 你烦死我屁股了。
屁股疼，就是
屁股疼，
受不了，你烦死你，
头疼，
烦死，
屁股也疼，
屁股也疼。还有一个很搞笑的，我不给你老鼠的屁股，
我不给
你老鼠的屁股。I don't give a rat's ass， 我一点都不在乎，
我不在乎这个，
一点都不在乎，
这不关我事。
I don't give a rat's ass.
I don't give a rat's ass. I don't know why would it be a rat's ass?
Because no one likes rats.
So you don't like an ass, so you like a rat's ass.
Because the ass is dirty already, and then a rat is already dirty. So you have two dirty things together.
Couldn't care less.
非常强调，我就是完全不在乎的意思。还有最后一个，是我最喜欢的，是要告诉你 ，Get your ass out of here.
Should I leave?
Yes. Get your lazy ass out of here.
Is this for the video? Should I leave?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sick of you.
It was great seeing you guys. Hope to see you again. Remember
I'm sick
to
of your white ass shirt, your badass camera.
But that's what it means, literally, is it?
Get your ass out of here. It literally means 走开. Get your ass out of here. I'm just kidding.
Are you kidding?
Okay. I'm just 开玩笑.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Get your ass out of here.
Get your ass out.
That's easy then.
走开. Yeah.
That's easy because what you put, your ass we referred to earlier on as yourself.
Yeah. 但是你要生气一点来用这个说法。
Get
your ass out of here.
You're fired. So that was the last one. Thank you.
Yeah. Did you learn anything?
So much ass. Yeah. No, but it's really useful. I think it's really good. We know that you guys in American English use ass a lot, but I think it's important to see where you can use it and the different ways you can use it and actually get all the examples out there as well, so you can start studying and becoming more Americanized.
Yeah, I think when you watch movies, you're gonna see it a lot too. So then you see it, you're like, okay.
Ass.
Now I know what it means. Okay, all these phrases and all these different uses. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it me? Is it him? I don't know. Now you know.
It's also a bit silly though.
It is.
Like how ass
silly.
can mean so much in one language. It's
beyond silly.
It is a little bit.
Silly ass language.
Silly ass language. It almost makes, I don't know what it makes you think. It makes you think of asses basically. Thank you for teaching me.
Yeah,
麦克老师，谢谢。我们有一个一起拍过的，就是怎么样可以学好美式英语。
美式英语要说 like 很多次。
Like it was awesome, dude.
You got it.
Good.
For more of that, go watch our video.
And thank you for watching. 谢谢大家收看。
Yeah. 别忘记关注我们的平台。And we'll see you next time. 我是麦克老师。
我是李飞老师，我是李飞起来。
再见。
再见。